Now I am back with your lesson disaster part 6. So children, in last classes we have discussed about the natural disaster. That disaster are two types. One is natural and second is man-made. So we have already read about the natural disaster. So now let's come to man-made disaster. So children, what is man-made disaster? The disaster which occurred by human being only, which occurred by us only, ourselves. Okay children. So because of carelessness. Okay, disaster which are caused due to the carelessness and human beings errors. Okay children. So these are man-made disaster. So let us discuss today about the man-made disaster. Okay. So children, first of all, the man-made disaster is deforestation. Yes, I told already, deforestation means what? Cutting trees. Yes or no children? We are cutting the trees for our personal gain. Yes or no? For our personal gain also we are cutting the trees, and for set up the factories, set up the industries. Yes or no? Now in our school road also, see, when you are going to Jagdalpur, okay, now so many trees cut because of construction work, road. Yes or no sir? So that is only urbanization. Okay, means शहरीकरण. हमको टाउन बढ़ाना है, हमको डेवलप करना है, for developing our town, for developing the city, okay, for developing our village, and the villagers also coming and they are staying at the cities only because of work, because of job. Okay, so children, they are getting the job, so they are coming to city only. So they need land. Yes or no children? For staying they need land. Then from where they will get the land? So they are cutting the trees. Okay, they are cutting the trees and plants for land only, for our personal gain only. They are clearing the forest and agriculture field also. Yes or no? And make provision for settle. We are cutting the trees. So children, this is the introduction, okay, of deforestation. But now we will read what are the causes. What are the causes? Deforestation. First we will read the causes. Okay, what are the causes of the deforestation occur? See, already I have told you that it is caused to greed of people. It is caused to greed of people to earn money by selling trees. Yes or no? And to use of the land only. Land यूज करने के लिए और trees को जैसे हम we get the furniture. Yes or no? We get the furniture for our home. If you made a new home, if you build a new home, okay, you have built a new home, so obviously you will get, obviously you want, and you have to almirah. Yes or no? Ply. Nowadays we are using only ply. So from where it is coming? From trees only, na? So these are the causes for selling the trees, for our personal gain only we are using, and we are cutting the trees for using the land also. Or more one thing is children, lack of rainfall. Lack of rainfall. बारिश जैसे कम हो जाती है तो ऐसे ही प्लांट्स ट्रीज को पानी नहीं मिलता है, सो इट इज ड्राई. ओके, एंड इट विल डाई. सो चिल्ड्रन, वो पेड़ सूख जाता है, हरा भरा नहीं रहता है, सो इट विल नॉट ग्रो. ऐसा नो. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो लैक ऑफ रेनफॉल ऑल्सो वन कॉज. More one cause is global warming. Global warming. I told what is global warming? Yes. Global warming is a process by which the heat absorbs. Okay, the heat absorbs and the temperature is increasing in the atmosphere. Okay, that is only global warming. Yes children, so because of global major use of furniture also. We need the trees, we need the wood, yes or no? And some are selling the trees. Okay, so for our personal gain, for our carelessness of human beings only. So the causes, what are the causes? Yes, our carelessness. This is only most important thing, that only our carelessness of human beings. हमारा carelessness के कारण ही हमारा वर्ल्ड में डिजास्टर होता है, मेन डिजास्टर, है ना। हम अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट ग्रो करते, ट्रीज ग्रो करते, तो ये सब चीज़ नहीं होता। रेनफॉल भी अच्छे से होता, लेक रेनफॉल नहीं होता, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग नहीं होता, ये सब नो। बिकॉज व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट, व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट, मेन डिजास्टर का इफेक्ट क्या क्या होता है? Effects. Yes, if the trees are cut, if the trees we will cut, so there will be decrease the level of oxygen in our atmosphere. Yes or no? Atmosphere में हमारा ऑक्सीजन का मात्रा कम होते जाएगा. So carbon dioxide will increase. If carbon dioxide will increase in our atmosphere, then it absorbs heat and it will increase the temperature of our atmosphere. Then it occurs global warming. And the global warming, because of the global warming, man-made disaster will occur. Yes or no, children? So these are the effects. Okay, it will decrease the oxygen level in the atmosphere. Okay, and the setter of many wild animals also will be lost. Okay, क्योंकि अब बारिश ही नहीं होगा, लैंड यूज नहीं होगा, फॉरेस्ट कट हो जाएगा, तो where the wild animals will stay? They are staying in the den. Yes or no? They stay in the cave. Yes or no? गुफा में रहते हैं वो लोग, den में रहते हैं वो लोग. Where? In the forest only. If you cut the forest, then where the animal will go? Where the animals will go? So their settle also will be lost. Yes or no, children? And more one thing is that the amount of carbon dioxide, I told just in atmosphere it will increase and oxygen level will be decrease. Yes or no, sir? It will harmful for us human beings. It will harmful for the animals also, for our environment. Okay, children? So more one thing is deforestation affects rainfall also. I told ना deforestation rainfall को affect करता है. Because of deforestation, अगर झाड़ ही नहीं रहेंगे, पेड़ ही नहीं रहेंगे, so rainfall कैसे होगा? Yes or no? Now, what are the measures to control it? Yes, plants more and more trees. Okay, to keep our environment free. Yes or no? Free from the nation, free and nation, our nation wealthy. Okay, children. More one thing is that if it is the treasure of raw materials, it is the treasure of raw materials and minerals. Forest is the treasure of raw materials and minerals. So it is important to plant trees more and more. It is more important for growth of our country. Now let's come to second point, wars. Wars which occur by us. Yes or no? By human being. The situation of unrest between one or two, between two or more. Yes or no? Countries. Yes, between two or more countries. This situation of unrest between two or more countries. Okay, it is acute. Or between the different nation or the group also. So the war is acute. It is called war. Okay. कोई भी दो और ज़्यादा कंट्री के बीच में युद्ध होना, लड़ाई होना, that is only called war. Okay, children. So it is terrible man-made disaster. ये एक बहुत ही terrible man-made disaster है. Okay. And what are the causes, children? Dispute, conflict or disagreement in the thinking of two or more nations. Disagreement, okay, कुछ conflict, कुछ dispute हुआ, okay, कुछ ही समझौता अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, कुछ झगड़ा हुआ, कुछ arguments हुआ. So they are the causes, major causes of war. Okay, children. Now second point, is what are the causes of war? Okay, some terrorist activity, some terroristic activities, नक्सलवाद, ओके, टेररिस्टिक एक्टिविटीज जैसे कि अभी चल रहा है पाकिस्तान इंडिया, ये सब बिटवीन द पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया, इट इज हैपनिंग, ओके, ये सब वी आर लिसनिंग इन द न्यूज़, ये सब वी आर लिसनिंग इन न्यूज़ ऑल्सो, ये सब चिल्ड्रन. So it is happening activities, okay, between because of some terrorist activities also the war will occur, and the thinking and the jealousy between two countries, जैसे समझौता नहीं हो पाया, आई टोल्ड ऑलरेडी, ऐसा ना, और कुछ जेलसी है कि वो इतने इम्प्रूव कर रहा है तो मेरे को भी इम्प्रूव करना है ना, वो ऐसा है, मैं ऐसा क्यों नहीं हूँ, ऐसा टाइप का, ओके. सो between if it occurred between two countries, no, then also it is causes the wars, okay. So what are the effects? Many soldiers and innocent people will lose their life, okay. They lose their life, and business and our trade also, trade and business and transportation, everything, okay. Two countries will suffer. Business and trade between two countries will suffer. Yes or no, children? More one thing, there is a huge loss of property. प्रॉपर्टी का बहुत ही वेस्ट होता है. अगर वार हुआ, झगड़ा हुआ, तो जितने लोग लड़ रहे हैं, जितने आप टीवी में देखे होंगे महाभारत, युद्ध कैसे हुआ है, हाँ, बहुत दिनों तक ये युद्ध हुआ था, और बहुत सैकड़ों लोग, हजारों लोग आए थे, वहाँ भाग लिए थे, और वो लड़े थे भी और अपना जान भी गंवाए थे. दे लॉस देयर लाइफ आल्सो, ये सब नो. एंड उनका खाना पीने का सामान, उनका हर चीज़ के लिए कितना खर्चा हुआ, और बहुत सारी चीज़ वेस्ट होता है, बहुत सारे. व्हाट आर द मेजर्स टू कंट्रोल द वार? व्हाट आर द मेजर्स टू कंट्रोल द वार? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू अंडरस्टूड द how the war become? Yes sir. What is the causes of war? Yes, between two countries or more countries, some disagreement, okay, misunderstanding, disagreement, these are the causes, okay, in a nation, in a two or more nation, or a two or more group or country, okay. And it will affect of our life, of our property, of our country, yes or no? So what are the measures to control it? What are the measures to control the war? Okay, so there are some measures to control the war that we have to avoid. We should avoid the disagreement or misunderstanding between two countries. First of all, and it's an Indian nation or any nation also. Okay, try to discourage any kind of terrorist activity. Okay, terrorist activity को वो दूर करें. Okay, peace and unity. Maintain peace and unity. Okay, children. So these are the measures to control the war. Okay, children. So today we have understood about the deforestation causes. What are the measures? What are the effects? Okay, and what are the measures to control the deforestation? And what are the causes, effect, and measures to control the wars? Okay, children. So we have understood properly our lesson also today completed. Now it is the time to go to exercise part. So in next class I will give you exercise. So children, please complete your lesson 1 also. Then only we will write lesson number 2. First you write please and